All right, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an exciting free and open source AI tool that's making waves in video generation. Imagine generating high quality, 4-second long videos with just a prompt. And you can do this online or install it locally on your computer. Sounds cool, right? Let's jump in and check out what this tool can do. The tool is called LTX Studio, brought to us by the folks at Lightricks. While their polished product is available online, their open source version is live on GitHub for anyone to use. So, how does it perform? Here's the deal. This AI generates videos at 24 FPS and 480p resolution, all in real time. Let me show you some examples. First up, a prompt. A woman with long brown hair smiles at another woman. Here's the result. The AI nails the basic elements. Brown hair, a smiling woman. But keep in mind, these are cherry-picked examples. Still, for an open source model, it's pretty impressive. Now, this one blew me away. An action-packed cinematic scene. It's eye-catching and feels like it's straight out of a movie. Sure, it's not Hollywood quality, but again, this is free open source tech we're talking about. Here's where it gets fun. You can try this online via Hugging Face. You can customize the frame rate, enhance your prompts for more detail, and even generate image-to-video transformations. Let's test it out. Here's the result. It's not perfect. There's some morphing in the background, and the hands are a bit off. But it captures the vibe of the prompt surprisingly well. Now, a more detailed prompt. A young man with blonde hair in a yellow jacket standing in a forest. The result? Smooth camera motion, consistent character design, and decent prompt accuracy. The quality still needs improvement, but for an open source model, this is exciting. Let's talk image to video. I tested it with this image and a prompt for more facial expressions. The result? Meh. The motion is minimal and it's not quite there yet. But for text to video, this tool really shines. Look, it's not perfect. There's still work to be done, especially with quality and accuracy. But considering this is free and open source, it's a great start for anyone curious about AI-generated videos. Imagine the possibilities as models like this evolve. So, what do you think? Would you try this tool out? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more updates on cutting-edge AI tools. See you in the next one.